Most people don't change because they think they have time. They think 30 days is nothing. They think they'll start later, and that lie is quietly ruining your life. Right now, you wake up and reach for your phone. You scroll before you think. You distract yourself before you act. Days pass, weeks pass, and nothing about you actually changes. You tell yourself you're figuring things out, but deep down, you know the truth. You're comfortable, and comfort is keeping you weak. You waste hours on things that don't move your life forward. You avoid hard tasks. You delay discomfort. You wait for motivation that never comes. And every day you repeat this, your future shrinks. This is the moment where most people blame the world, their past, their situation, their luck. But none of that matters. Because the real problem is not your circumstances, it's your habits. And more importantly, it's your choices. The moment you accept that your life is the result of what you do every day, everything changes. No one is coming to save you. No one is going to give you discipline. You have to take it. Here are the habits that change everything. Habit 1. You stop starting your day with distraction. No phone, no scrolling, no noise. You take control of your morning before the world takes control of you. Habit 2. You move your body every day, no matter how you feel. Not for motivation, not for pleasure, but to train your mind to obey you. Habit 3. You eat like someone who respects himself. You stop feeding your weakness. You fuel your body instead of numbing it. Habit 4. You work when your mind begs you to stop, when it feels boring, when it feels uncomfortable. That is where discipline is built. Habit 5. You cut off habits that numb you instead of building you. Mindless scrolling, cheap pleasure, anything that steals your focus and leaves you empty. Habit 6. You set non-negotiable standards. You show up even when it feels pointless, especially when it feels pointless, because standards don't care about feelings. Habit 7. You do one hard thing every single day. One task you want to avoid, one action that scares you slightly, and you do it anyway. At first, it feels heavy. Your mind fights back. Your old habits beg for attention. You feel tired, irritated, uncomfortable. Good. That discomfort means the old version of you is losing control. Then something shifts. You start to trust yourself. You stop negotiating with weakness. Your posture changes. Your focus sharpens. Your confidence becomes quiet, not loud. People notice, not because you announce it, but because you move differently. You speak differently. You act with intention. This is how identity is formed. Not through words, through repeated action. After 30 days, you don't feel like the same person because you aren't. And here's the truth most people never face. If you don't change your habits now, you will be the same person a year from today. Same fears, same excuses, same regrets. So decide, not tomorrow, not next week, today. Pick one habit, start now, and let the old version of you disappear. Because the life you want does not come from comfort, it comes from action. No one can do this for you. No one can live your life for you. Now, it's your turn.